Hello, painting peeps, and welcome. It's Kathleen from COZ Creations. Welcome to the No Bra Zone, guys. I hope it doesn't sound like I'm yelling at you. My camera's way up there. My tripod is like up as high as it possibly can go with blankets around the base to keep my camera from wobbling in case the Lidl man runs around back there. But I am working on something spectacular here that I am so excited about it. I'm going to post pictures so you can see it at a better angle. But this is a super, super cool canvas. It is beveled around all four sides. Let me pick it up to see if you can see that a little bit. But this was sent to me by a very talented artist, a Jersey boy, a real true born and raised Jersey boy, Mark Mastro from Mastro's Art. I will definitely post a link in the description box. Check him out. He makes these and they are heavy, heavy duty and spectacular. I've had it for a couple of weeks, but I've been busy working on some commission pieces and some other personal things. So I am so excited to paint on this canvas. It's got a very deep 2-inch side, but it actually, where it rises up, I'm assuming that's like a 3 or 4 inch. Beautiful wood frame, heavy duty. So I'm excited. I'm a little bit nervous. I am going to post some pictures of Mark Mastro's work. Go to his website. He's a fantastic acrylic artist. He also works a little bit in oils. He's from New Jersey. And Mark, I can't thank you enough for sending this my way, guys. So we're going to give it a go. Now, I noodled and noodled over what I should do on this canvas. Actually, last night I was up a little late and I watched a painting by Gina DeLuca. And she actually did a beautiful painting on one of these canvases, which got me excited to come on down here and get rocking and rolling on it because I've been staring at it for a while. So I decided, I went back and looked at my previous videos, and one of my most popular videos got 150,000 views, and I worked with some beautiful colors at the time that just really touched my heart. So I figured, hey, what the hell, right? Let's use those same colors. So let's talk about those colors, guys. Our base coat today, let me grab my paint. I didn't grab these paints. My base coat is a combination of Flow Acrylics in the black and Flow Acrylics in the blue. Now, real important, guys, because I had to mix this up in 2 jugs so that I have enough paint. What I did was I put my blue in, because black is bossy. Put my blue in my container. I stirred it up, added my pouring medium, got it to the right consistency that I needed. Then I mixed my black up in a separate cup, added my pouring medium, stirred it, and got it to the same consistency of the blue. And then I slowly added a bit of at a time of the black paint, because black is bossy. And then you stir it real good until you get to that absolutely perfect color. It's almost like a Payne's gray. Now, what I'm going to do to this baby is, after we're done chit-chatting, I'm going to take a brush and I'm going to paint the whole thing, including the sides. And then I'm going to put my flood coat down. Now, I'm going to do a swipe because I love my swipes, but I have to be very careful what these sides are going to look like. I have no doubt that when I swipe over this edge right here, because by the time I get to the end of my swipe, there's very little paint left on my swiping tool. So I'm not afraid of too much runoff. I'm going to do a horizontal swipe, I think. I don't know, maybe I'll go this way. I don't know, I'll noodle over it while I'm painting this canvas, but I have to be really careful of this runoff. But because it's a swipe, I don't think I'm going to have a lot of excess paint that is going to roll. If it does, what I will do is after the painting is dry, I'll leave my swipe in the center area and paint these sides a nice rich black. So let's see what happens. Let's see how this all turns out. Let's talk about our colors because they are yummy. They were yummy 10 or 11 months ago when I did this video, and I'm hoping that they are still yummy. Once again, Artist Loft Black and Artist Loft Blue mixed together for my base coat, kind of like a Payne's Gray. This yummy color right here, golden iridescent gold fine. I love this gold. It's not bossy, it's not brassy. It's going to play really well with these colors. This right here, for good luck, of course, is my golden iridescent pearl fine. This pretty cup right here. I was going to use golden turquoise, but the original video I did, I hadn't discovered my golden fluid turquoise. This is DecoArt Dazzling Metallics, and this is the Peacock Pearl. And this yummy guy right here is golden iridescent silver fine. And I'm going to lay my colors out in this swipe order: the gold, the pearl, the turquoise, then the silver. At least I think I am. I'm still noodling. I do a lot of that, guys. That's why I fast forward through these videos a lot of time. If not, you'd be sitting here for 2 hours with me. And that's way too long. Swiping tool. We're going to start off because in the original video I did my flexible pieces of cut up plastic from an old report cover. Now I wish I had some bigger pieces, but I don't, and these are my lucky pieces, so I'm hanging with them. If the test swipe, the first swipe that we do, or the first couple swipes we do, don't work out, then I'm going to use a damp paper towel. So there you have it. Wish me luck. This is gorgeous. This, when it hangs on a wall, looks like it's jumping out at you. So I'm excited. Mark, thank you so very much for trusting me with this handmade beauty that you made and for reaching out. I am very grateful. Guys, you need to check out Art by Mastro, M-A-S-T-R-O. I'll post the link. Let's put some tunes on. I'm going to get busy. Wish me luck, guys.
the voices inside my head used to be my only friend, but they go silent when you're around. I hope you'll stay till the end. But I keep walking right into your arms, and if I'm falling, I'm falling with you. I'm standing with you, got it all in my hands, but I don't know how to breathe. I'm walking outside, taking in all the air, but I don't know how to breathe. And I'm fading away under the night, but I figured it out. This is all 'cause of you.
Hi guys, I'm done. I can breathe now. I tend to hold my breath when I'm swiping. This canvas is spectacular. I'm very, very excited. Now, you can see here where the canvas angles down on this side and this side. We got a little bit of a wiggle, a little bit of a shift in paint, but then it straightens up and it's balanced on all four sides. Now, I could go ahead and swipe that area again to straighten it out, but I love it. I think it takes your eye straight across and out. I hope you can see that. Maestro, this is pretty darn cool. I have to get myself some more of these canvases because I would really love to do a traveling ring pour, because as it comes off the sides, it will overstretch the composition, and I like that. So these are very, very, very cool. Thank you. I'm grateful. I'm grateful that you sent this to me, and we'll certainly be talking some more. Guys, thank you as always for being here. I can't wait to get this hung so that you can see the way it pops off the wall, guys. I'm going to do my best to bring you in for a close-up. This sucker is pretty darn heavy. But those colors, oh my goodness, those colors are spectacular, guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for joining me. Can you see that pearl? Can you see where that pearl just skips across those colors? Oh, be still my heart. It's a good life, guys. I'm so grateful for this time, for this space down here. I'm grateful for each and every one of you. You all be safe, be happy, stay well. I'll miss you till I see you again. Bye, guys.